Have you ever noticed how some people's faces glow the moment they start cleaning their room? The warmth of fresh laundry, the soft thud of drawers sliding shut, the slow, almost tender moment when a shelf becomes perfectly arranged. Like with every tiny adjustment, something heavy inside them loosens and falls away. Most people think cleaning is just a task, but those who understand, they know it's therapy in disguise. Because when life gets overwhelming, when thoughts turn into knots, emotions overflow, and everything feels too loud, cleaning becomes this quiet, gentle way of taking control again. You pick up one item, then another, and suddenly your breath feels lighter. Your brain releases that little spark of dopamine, and just like that, a folded towel feels like a victory. A cleaned surface becomes hope, and you hear a voice inside saying, "See, you can do this." Clutter isn't just clutter. It's memories. It's decisions you postponed. It's feelings you never sorted. And cleaning isn't just tidying. It's safety. It's softness. It's coming home to yourself. Some people line their plants in the perfect row, arrange books by color, fold towels like origami, not because they're obsessed with neatness, but because it's the only place where chaos becomes art. And in that moment, scrubbing dishes, sweeping the floor, rinsing clothes, the mind finally stops racing. Thoughts quiet down, breathing slows, and without even closing your eyes, you're meditating. A clean room says, "You're okay, you're in control." A messy room whispers, "You're slipping, you're drowning." The heart hears both whispers, even if the mind ignores them. Decluttering isn't throwing stuff away. It's saying goodbye to a version of yourself that no longer exists. It's releasing memories, pain, moments that once mattered, and every item you let go of lifts a little weight off your chest. Maybe people won't understand why cleaning makes someone emotional, why someone can tear up while folding clothes, why wiping a desk can feel like healing. But those who know, they know. This isn't housekeeping. This is rewriting your story. You're not cleaning your room. You're clearing space in your heart. You're opening windows inside yourself. You're finding your way back to peace. One folded sheet, one uncluttered corner, one room that finally breathes. And suddenly, you do too. So tell me honestly, is cleaning a chore for you or a soft place to fall? Share in the comments. Your voice might become someone else's comfort.